Have you ever wondered if your morning coffee could actually make you stronger instead of weaker? Most people think coffee is just that daily boost to start the day. But what if I told you that the same cup could become one of the most powerful tools to fight muscle loss, reduce pain, and even protect your heart? Because here is the shocking truth: after age 60, the body begins losing up to 8% of muscle every decade. That means weaker legs, slower movement, and a higher risk of falls or fractures. But hidden in overlooked research, scientists have discovered that with just a few natural ingredients, your everyday coffee can be transformed into real medicine for your muscles. And what is most surprising is this: big companies will never tell you about these ingredients. There is no billion-dollar profit in them. But there is life-changing potential for anyone over 60. So, before your next sip, let's uncover the natural additions that can turn ordinary coffee into something extraordinary. The power of a simple change. Let's begin with something you might already have in your kitchen. Cinnamon. You may think of it as a spice for desserts or holidays, but just half a teaspoon stirred into coffee can do something remarkable. It helps balance blood sugar, improves circulation, and fights inflammation, all of which protect your muscles from decline. Many people do not realize how much unstable blood sugar damages muscle strength. When your glucose spikes and crashes, your muscles lose their steady energy supply. Cinnamon helps fix that problem, keeping your energy consistent throughout the day. Imagine this: a 68-year-old man named John felt his legs growing weaker, and afternoons left him completely drained. On a suggestion, he added cinnamon to his morning coffee. Within weeks, his energy improved, and his blood sugar dropped by nearly 20 points. It was a small change, but it made a powerful difference. Cinnamon shows us that strength after 60 is not just about lifting weights, it is also about balancing your body from within. The circulation booster. Next comes an ingredient that sounds indulgent but is secretly therapeutic: unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa is rich in natural compounds that improve blood flow and muscle recovery. As we age, circulation tends to weaken, and that means our muscles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients. That sluggish feeling in your legs? Often it is poor blood flow, not just aging. Adding a teaspoon of cocoa to your coffee can help reverse that. The combination of coffee's caffeine and cocoa's flavonols creates a natural boost that supports your heart and muscles at the same time. For example, a 72-year-old woman named Evelyn began adding cocoa to her morning coffee. Within weeks, she noticed her walks felt lighter and her stamina improved. Even her blood pressure looked better at her next checkup. Small, natural steps can create big shifts in how you feel each morning. Fuel for energy and focus. Let's move to something that may surprise you: coconut oil or MCT oil. Unlike regular fats, these oils are converted directly into energy by your body. As we age, our cells become less efficient at using sugar as fuel. That is why many older adults feel tired or mentally foggy. MCT oil provides a clean, steady energy source that keeps your muscles and brain sharp. 1 teaspoon blended into coffee can help you stay energized longer and even reduce cravings for sugary snacks. Many seniors who try it say their mornings feel smoother and more focused, without the mid-morning crash. It is a small addition, but it can completely change how your body feels throughout the day. Protein for strength and recovery. Now let's talk about protein, something most older adults do not get enough of. After 60, your body becomes resistant to protein, meaning you need more of it to maintain and rebuild muscle. Adding a scoop of whey protein or even a splash of milk or soy milk to your coffee gives your muscles the building blocks they need to stay strong. One woman, 67, began blending a small amount of unflavored whey protein into her morning coffee. Within weeks, she felt her arms grow stronger and her legs more stable. Her doctor confirmed she had actually gained lean muscle. This is not just about appearance, it is about independence, balance, and mobility. Protein helps you keep living the life you love without the fear of falling or slowing down. Rebuilding from the inside out. While protein helps build muscle, another ingredient helps repair and support your joints: collagen powder. Collagen is like the glue that holds your muscles, joints, and bones together. Unfortunately, your body produces less of it as you age. That is why stiffness, soreness, and slower recovery become so common after 60. Adding a scoop of collagen powder to your coffee can make a real difference. It dissolves easily, has no taste, and provides the amino acids your body needs to rebuild tissues. Many older adults report that within a few weeks, their knees ache less, and their movement feels smoother. One 70-year-old gardener said it best, "I can finally kneel in my garden again without pain." That is the quiet power of collagen. It gives you back the ability to move freely, without stiffness holding you back. Tiny seeds, big results. Next comes one of the smallest but most powerful additions, ground chia seeds. These little seeds are rich in omega-3 fats, protein, and fiber. They help stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and even support brain function. When ground and stirred into hot coffee, chia seeds create a smooth, slightly nutty flavor. But more importantly, they feed your muscles, your joints, and your digestion. A 70-year-old man named George tried this simple habit after years of constipation and low energy. Within weeks, his digestion improved, his belly fat shrank, and his morning walks felt easier. Sometimes, the smallest habit creates the biggest transformation. The golden secret, and finally, perhaps the most powerful of all, turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric is known for its active compound, curcumin, which reduces inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation is one of the main reasons seniors lose strength and mobility. But here is the key: your body cannot absorb turmeric well on its own. Add a pinch of black pepper, and its absorption increases by nearly 2,000%. Together, they create a golden blend that supports your joints, protects your heart, and may even help rebuild lost muscle. One 73-year-old gardener who had almost given up his passion due to knee pain began adding turmeric and black pepper to his coffee. Within weeks, the pain eased, and he was back in his garden, moving freely again. This simple mix proves something powerful: aging does not mean decline. With the right habits, you can continue to rebuild strength and energy, no matter your age. Your coffee, your choice. So here is the takeaway. Your morning coffee can either drain your strength, or rebuild it. By adding simple, natural ingredients like cinnamon, cocoa, MCT oil, milk, whey, collagen, chia, or turmeric, you can turn an ordinary drink into a powerful ritual for energy, strength, and longevity. Each spoonful is a step toward a stronger, more active you. Now I would love to hear from you. Which of these additions will you try first? Cinnamon, collagen, or turmeric? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a stronger, healthier start to their day. And make sure to subscribe to AgeWise for more simple, science-backed ways to stay strong, sharp, and independent at any age. Remember this: aging is not about losing power, it is about learning new ways to regain it. Your morning coffee can be more than a routine. It can be your daily medicine for a stronger future.